Are you ready to start your week off with a quick and easy meal for lunch? Well, if you're interested, keep watching. I'll share with you what I'm starting my week off with. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Face, and in today's video, it's all about showing you what I'm doing for lunch on today. And this is the final look. So stay tuned to see how it was all put together. Take a peek at today's lunch. I have sauteed some green peppers. I've added in this packet of chicken, and you can get this at your local Walmart or maybe any of your local grocers, but it's 100% all natural, no added hormones or steroids, thick juicy breast strips. Now I'm planning to do a little more cooking at home for lunch versus going to some of these places that I am sick of eating from, and the food is not tasting and the portion sizes are smaller. So I am going to cook lunch for my husband and I, and this is what we're starting with today. So next I am going to add some creamy melted cheese, and then we will serve, or I will serve, on a Hawaiian bun or a brioche bun or something of that sort. So here is my creamy melt mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to spread it on top, turn the heat down, and just let it melt. I will pour it into a separate bowl, take it to the office, and serve it on a bun. So here you can see that the cheese is melting. I'm just going to turn it off now and just let it finish melting with the heat that's already there. And guys, this is going to be delicious over a bun. Went back in and added a few parsley flakes over the top, just the seasoning, not fresh. I love adding parsley seasonings to my dishes, so this is what will be served for lunch. Oh, look at that. So yummy, delicious. Well, have a wonderfully blessed day, guys, and I'll see you real soon, hopefully with another lunch dish.